With HUAYU in mind, look at the world. HUAYU Carton Machinery Company Limited is located in the core upgrading area of packaging machinery and equipment manufacturing, adjacent to China Dongguan County Packaging Machinery Exhibition Center since its establishment more than 20 years ago. Always adhere to the business purpose of creating value for customers, creating opportunities for employees, and creating benefits for the society. Dedicated to the development and manufacture of carton machinery, taking quality comes from details, integrity creates brand as the cornerstone of the company's development. Constant pursuit and exploration, continuous improvement and transcendence. Production of various series of automatic high-speed printing gluer linkage line, fully automatic high-definition printing slotting die cutting machine, fully automatic nail sticking machine, automatic folder gluer. Products such as intelligent high-speed corrugated cardboard production lines are leading the way in China and sell well in more than 80 countries and regions such as the United States, Germany, and Italy, becoming one of the earliest and largest carton equipment export suppliers in my country. It has won unanimous praise from customers at home and abroad. HUAYU Carton Machinery Company Limited now covers an area of 40,000 square meters. The construction area is 30,000 square meters. Annual output of more than 200 sets of various series of carton production lines. For more than 20 years, the world is changing. The environment is changing. But what remains unchanged is the original intention of HUAYU people to high standards, strict requirements, and high-quality products. HUAYU people always believe that quality is the cornerstone of products in the market and the golden key of the competitive market. Only by improving product quality can HUAYU Carton Machinery Company Limited stand out in the fierce market competition and make great progress on the road of high-quality development. HUAYU Carton Machinery Company Limited adheres to the service concept of quality-oriented, customer-centric. Grasp the user's information and needs in a timely manner while tracking product usage to provide users with the most convenient quality service. With the fastest delivery date, the most reasonable price, the most complete, timely, and convenient service system, create a one-stop service provider for users. Quality products are the bridge to the world. HUAYU Carton Machinery Company Limited has been going all the way and passed ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification and 𝗬𝗎 certification and nearly 100 technical patents. It is the President Unit of Dongguan County Packaging Machinery Manufacturing Federation. The confluence of the great rivers, galloping into the sea, surging power, endless life, under the care of provincial and municipal leaders. HUAYU people never forget their original aspirations and keep their mission firmly in mind. Face today, HUAYU Carton Machinery Company Limited will strive to create, look forward to the future. HUAYU people will continue to be committed to building a world brand enterprise, implementing the new development concept to build a new development pattern, and promoting high-quality economic and social development, sustainable development. Thank you for watching. Please contact us if you need.